Here we are at Dreams Tulum, and this is the breakfast buffet. So we'll start off with the hangover station. So we'll get 𝖬𝗒𝖾li𝖾. I don't even know what kind of vodka that is. Absolute, Cuervo. And we've got tomato juice, orange, and Clamato. So you can go Canadian or American on that one, whichever you choose. Bunch of cereal, regular milk, chocolate milk. Got some jello, some butter, vegetables. It's like a surimi salad, like a crab salad. Zucchini, rice, peas, and corn. Tuna salad, mixed vegetables, and some variety of lettuce, radicchio, I think, and pasta salad. Different buns. Cutting board there. Around this side, get some more vegetables, pickling stuff, dressings, ranch dressing. What's this? Oh, French dressing. Some different olive oils. More zucchini. What's this? Roasted napalm. I think that's like cactus. Tomato, carrots, and asparagus. Some roasted mushrooms. And some hard-boiled eggs. And then we'll whiz over here. So we've got some sweetbreads, as well as a toaster. Good variety here, as well as some chocolate croissants. What is this station really doing? Tostadas? I don't know what they're called, but it's pretty tasty. And then, ooh, I see coffee cups. Might be 𝖳𝗒𝖾. Oh, sorry. What do we have here? Coconut, cinnamon, raisins. That's hot chocolate. Oh. What's this? Chocolate. And traditional coffee. Cafe? Oh, yeah. Yes. Getting a cup of that. Okay, we have omelet station. Fillings. Juice station here. So we've got orange juice, apple juice, orange juice. Maybe that was a different one. This one's green juice. Oh, pineapple juice. Okay. And with some cheese and sauce. Oh, more cheese for the omelet. And chilaquiles. Scrambled eggs with ham or chorizo. On this side, we've got some granola and toppings, cheese and meat station, and some fresh fruit. What is this? Panela cheese, fresh fruits, as well as more muesli. Interesting. More bread. I'm gonna guess this is gluten-free. And then we've got fruit station here, as well as more cheese and meats. Back onto this side, and then the last station, the second last station, is scrambled eggs, hash browns, vegetables, refried beans, bacon, and sausage. And then, oh, is it? Should we making pancakes? Pancakes? Ah, nice. And then we've got some juice, and then the kids station. And some sweets. Oh, they're having cheese sandwiches. So, this is a dinner buffet. So we have lots of bread, different stations going on. Some juice. Oh, ice cream. Oh, we've come to the dessert table. Strawberry, chocolate, and coconut ice cream. I did this in the wrong order. Oh well. So we have pineapple cake, coconut cake, assorted desserts. Oh, okay, so they're not labeling these. And 𝖳𝗒𝖾ლი𝖾. All right. And let's head over here. So we got some spring rolls. These look good. Pizza with oil with chili, oil with raspberry. Oh, so this is the accompaniments. And so obviously that's chorizo-ish pizza, ham and pineapple, I'm guessing, and margarita, a little bit of a mix there, and then some garlic oil. So you can add that to it. Made to order pasta station. Voila. Wow. So we have roasted onion, pasta with seafood, stewed chicken, roasted carrot, and beans with rice, and stewed pork. Let's go to this one. So this is sort of salady things. Keep it healthy. So juice station. And then here is condiments. So relish with chili and coriander, Mexican sauce, onion, Mexican chili, onion with cilantro. Oh, just with everything. Here we have another hotspot, made to order food kitchen. Shrimp, mussels, chicken, pork. Ooh, and look what they can make for you. Another display. It's perfect. Also, beef stir fry or mixed vegetables. Yeah, they got that going on. Perfect. Steamed spinach. We have roasted zucchini, sweet and sour chicken, and broccoli. Here is rice, green beans, potatoes, stuffed peppers. Whoa! Stewed seafood and stewed beef. Wow. And what? Oh, hola. ¿Cómo estás? Oh, perfecto. Wow, salmon. You've got, say? Oh, chorizo. Caliente. Caliente? Habanero chicken. Habanero chili, lemon, and red sauce. Here is ramen and vegetable ramen soup. Let's look at this one. Kids Center, quesadillas, corn, pasta, and taquitos, tacos, as well as some sweet treats. And then on this side, we have some meat, salmon. Oh, what's this? Oh, cactus. As well as vegetables. Yum. It's delicious. Oh, look at the blue cheese. Yum. Assorted cheeses. We got some assorted meats. Strawberry bruschetta. Wow, yep. As well as some ham and salami, tacos, fresh fruits, and yeah, I think this is everything. So we've covered it. This is the dinner buffet.